Canada has a radio station in the freezing wilderness that kept broadcasting even after the entire crew has disappeared. In the 1920s, a small relay station was built near Nahanni National Park Reserve in the remote Northwest Territories of Canada. It was isolated, no nearby towns, just endless snow and forest. One winter, supply crews arrived and found the station empty. Food still on the table, boots by the door, radio equipment still warm. But here's the part that terrified them. The radio was still transmitting, not music, not Morse code, just faint, distorted voices. Search parties found no bodies, no tracks in the snow, no sign of struggle, just miles of untouched wilderness. Authorities blamed extreme weather, but trappers in the area say, on certain nights, you can still tune in and the voices sound closer. Subscribe for more real-life terrifying stories. More horrors are on the way.